Good morning, children. Standard 7th Geography Unit 1 Resources. Already discussed the topic renewable resources. Now discuss the topic non-renewable resources. What is non-renewable resources? Natural resources that once consumed and cannot be replaced is called non-renewable resources. Continuous consumption of non-renewable resources ultimately leads to exhaustion. Examples of non-renewable resources include fossil fuels such as coal, petroleum, natural gas and mineral resources such as iron, copper, bauxite, gold, silver and others. Non-renewable resources can be divided into three types. They are metallic resources, non-metallic resources, fossil fuel resources. Metallic resources. Metallic resources are the type of resources that are composed of metals. These are hard substances which are the good conductors of heat and electricity. Example for metallic resources are iron, copper, gold, bauxite, silver, manganese, etc. Iron. Iron is the fourth most common element in the earth crust and the most widely valuable metal. Magnetite and other hematite are the common ore for iron which occurs normally in the rocks of the crust. Iron ore is a key raw materials in making steel and 90% of iron ore extracted it is used to make steels. Iron ore is mined in about 50 countries. Among the iron ore producing countries, China, Australia, Brazil, India and Russia are the principal producer accounting for 85% of the world total out of the iron ore. Jharkhand, Odisha, Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, Karnataka and Goa account of over 95% of the total resources of India. Iron ore found at Kanjamalai in Tamil Nadu. Next, copper. Copper is one of the first metal known as used by man. First metal known and used by man. Copper ranks as the third most consumed industrial metal in the world after iron and aluminium. Copper is good conductor of heat and electricity. Chile is the world number 1 country in production of copper. Next, gold. It is a rare and precious metal, hence it is as high demand in world market. It is regarded as a symbol of prosperity and the form of wealth. Symbol of prosperity and a form of wealth. China is the world largest producer of the gold. China is the world largest producer of gold. Also, Australia, Russia, United States, South Africa and Canada are the major producer of gold. Kolar gold field is one of the deepest mines of the world. Deepest mines of the world. Next, bauxite. Alumina is produced from bauxite ore. Alumina is produced from bauxite ore. There are the several ores that contain aluminium, but bauxite contains more aluminium. Alumina is light, high weight, touch and cheaper, which makes it popular metal for constructional purposes. Alumina is a good conductor of electricity and heat. Australia is the world leading bauxite producer. Apart from that, China, Brazil, India, Jamaica and Russia. So next, the bauxite deposits are mainly found in Shervarayan Hills of Salem district, Tamil Nadu. Next, silver. Silver is also a precious metal like gold. It had a wider variety of uses than gold. It is used in making jewelry, photographic goods, electroplating industries and in manufacture of luxurious goods. Mexico is a world leading silver producer. Mexico is world leading silver producer. Next, manganese. Manganese is a steel grade, hard, shiny and brittle metal. The common ores of manganese steel grade, hard, shiny and brittle metal. Manganese is essential for the production of the good quality steel. Manganese is used in making electrical batteries. It is also used as coloring material in bricks, pottery, floor tiles. Manganese compounds are used in making liquids, bleaching powder, fertilizer, etc. South Africa is a world leading producer of manganese. All the producers have large reserve of manganese or the significant exporters in the world. Thank you.